Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve the 0x800f0950 Net Framework 3.5 installation error that you are experiencing on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys, on how to resolve it. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So first thing I'm going to recommend doing would be to open up the search menu and type in Windows Features. Best match will come back with Turn Windows Features on or off. Go ahead and open that up. You want to select versus .NET Framework 3.5. Go ahead and fill in that box and then select OK. And then select Let Windows Update download the files for you. And once that is concluded, go ahead and close out of here. And then you want to restart your computer. So there you go, guys. Hopefully at this point you've been able to resolve the 0x800f0950 Net Framework error. And as always, thank you for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.